Hello everyone, welcome back. Now this is a environment setup variable because it is simple, so that's why I'm going to do that. Here you got this folder insta temp, okay, and then you have to import. Okay, no worry about in this folder insta temp. We will provide with source code in this Instagram. Okay, so no worry about in this one. So this is what we have in .env file and config files. Okay, so you have to just copy paste from this insta temp to the Instagram. So let's do that here. Copy it. Make sure that you have to put on the correct path inside root directory. This is my app. So inside my app, paste env variable. Okay. Inside my app, put .env variables. Got it. Then similarly, this config.js files. Copy that. Then go inside my app, paste it here. Okay. Config.js files. Got it. And then okay, we need to install this library inside your project. This is go inside here, cd myf, then npm .env. You have to install. Okay, Instagram myf. This is npm .env. Okay, now it is ready to use your env files here. So you see we have just environment variables like my db URI. This is here, this is your database connection strings, and then next public underscore API you have to just create it with me, or you have to just copy paste from the source code. Okay, similar this one. Then this config.js files here, what you have to do, just I am importing from the env variables. Okay, this routes I'm in this db URI APIs, and then JWT secret from this one here, this JWT secret next public underscore API db URI. You have to just get in this config.js files, and then you have to export. Okay, you have to easily just copy paste with me from the source code. So this is your environment variables. And then one thing I'm going to do that, you have to set up your local, global.css, this one, and then page module. So just copy all that code, then paste inside your project my global.css files here. You have to remove all that, and then you will see. Okay, here we have to just edit the extra thing, this one, this code here. Okay, Instagram sidebar hover, Instagram sidebar hover, Instagram sidebar hover, all this is extra code. Okay, after your default global CSS, this is your default, and then we have added extra things because later on we will use all this. This is just styling. Okay, and then for the page module, I think it is same, but let me just copy paste in this, copy it, then paste inside your code. This is page modules. Okay, now it is ready to use your project Instagram. Got it. In the next lecture we will create your register page models. Okay, so it is all about your environment variables configurations. Got it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.